Why astrology? Why Jyotish? Really, if everything is predestined, if everything is meant to happen by the will of God, then why should we even bother reading our chart? Why should we bother understanding the grand plan? One should just live in surrender. Actually, that is the highest way to live. Every moment, if one can remember God, if one can think of God in every moment, then you don't need any Jyotish. But that's only possible for sadhus. That's only possible for somebody that has achieved union with the divine. That it hardly matters what happens with life. Whatever happens, it's Hare Krishna. It's Krishna. And have you met people like that? I've met people like that in Rishikesh. Whatever happens is say Ganga Maiya ki jai. Jo Ganga Maiya ne de diya. To live with that level of surrender, level of union, that is yoga. But are we all doing yoga? Are we all practicing yoga? Not just the asana yoga, not just yoga that we see in yoga studios, but real yoga. To have such a deep communion with life that there is no separation, there is no problem with life anymore, because everything is then a divine will. But because we are not there, then we need some guidance, we need some tools, we need some help, we need gurus, we need practices, we need sadhana, we need a lot of things so that we can also one day live like that. And Jyotish is a beautiful scientific method that helped me understand the grand cosmic plan for me. Who am I? Why am I like the way I am? Why are these things happening in my life? A higher perspective is Jyotish. Beyond what you're destined to do, it's more important to know why. Why is this particular incident happening in my life? Why is this particular person coming into my life at this point or leaving my life at this point? Why am I feeling attracted to a particular career? Why do I feel things more intensely? Have you experienced these kind of questions? That's where Jyotish comes in. Because Jyotish has the ability to answer these questions. Jyotish opens up your whole blueprint and tells you why. A lot of places, nobody is able to answer that why. Jyotish can tell you why. And that's why I love Jyotish. Because Jyotish is not trying to rig life. Jyotish is not about trying to predict life, trying to control life. It's not about that. It's not about trying to change life. It's trying to understand why this life. And anybody who can really understand that humbles down and really realizes that the divine plan is so phenomenal, so amazing, that we appreciate the creator. We appreciate creation and we start appreciating ourselves. Don't ask these questions, what is wrong with me? Ask, what is missing? What have I not figured out yet? That maybe if I get to know, I'll fall in love with who I am. And in Jyotish, there are divine archetypes given for all nakshatras. Of course, in Astro 101, I'm going to cover that. I'm going to talk about, what nakshatras are important in your chart. And then there are divine archetypes. So you read Ramayana, you read Bhagavad Gita, you read a lot of these spiritual scriptures, right? The Hindu scriptures. And then these nakshatras are playing out. Let's say Sita is Pushya nakshatra. Or let's say Ram is Punarvasu nakshatra. And let's say your moon nakshatra is Punarvasu or your Lagna nakshatra is Punarvasu. So you can really draw inference from Ram's character. Ram becomes such a light, a shining light for Punarvasu. Or Sita becomes such a light for Pusha. It's amazing how even today I can see a Pusha playing out so beautifully. Even now I can see a Rudra Nakshatra and see somebody in today's day and age embodying that kind of energy that is written in the scriptures. So, Jyotish is not child's play. Jyotish is not for mundane existence. Jyotish is for people who are ready to go deeper, who are ready to go higher, higher wisdom. You are no longer bothered about what will happen with me. You want to know more as to why. The qualitative analysis that Jyotish can give can change the way we view ourselves and change the way we view our lives. And I think that's the real use of Jyotish. Quantitative analysis, when will something happen? Will it happen? Will it not happen? Doesn't change our experience of life. It's the qualitative analysis that Jyotish gives that can really change your experience of your life, and which is what really matters. How are you experiencing your life? So, are you ready to join Astro 101? Tomorrow, we're about to start the course, and I will teach you how to read your birth chart. I will teach you how to interpret your nakshatras, your placements, your grahas, and really come to a new understanding of who you are.